In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Ctrader demo account. A demo account lets you practice trading with virtual funds in a real market environment, so you can get comfortable with the platform without risking your money. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, and I'll point out common options and what they mean so you can make confident choices. First, go to a broker's website that supports Ctrader. Not every broker offers Ctrader, so look for a platforms or trading platforms page that explicitly lists it. Choose a regulated, reputable broker that serves your country and offers the markets you want to practice on, like Forex, indices, or commodities. If you're unsure, most brokers highlight Ctrader on their homepage or in the platform menu. You don't need to deposit anything for a demo, and you can usually do this on desktop or mobile. Once you're on a supporting broker's site, click Open Demo Account. This might also appear as Try a Demo, Start Demo, or Practice Account. Make sure it clearly says Demo to avoid accidentally beginning a live account application. If the site asks you to register first, follow the on-screen prompts. This is normal and simply sets up your user profile for the demo. Next, choose Ctrader as your account type. Some brokers offer multiple platforms, like Ctrader or proprietary web platforms, but for this setup, you'll want Ctrader specifically. Selecting Ctrader ensures you get access to its depth of market, advanced charting, and fast order execution features. If the broker shows different Ctrader account variants, pick the standard demo option unless you have a specific need. Now, fill in your personal details. Typical fields include your name, country, email, and sometimes a phone number for verification. You may be able to set preferences such as base currency, initial virtual balance, and leverage. Choose a balance that reflects what you plan to trade in real life and a leverage level you're comfortable practicing with. Keep your information accurate so you receive your login credentials and platform access without delays. Finally, review and accept the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read the key points, check the privacy policy, and opt out of marketing if you prefer. When you confirm, the broker will either display your Ctrader demo login on screen, send it by email, or automatically log you into the web version. From there, you can sign in to Ctrader on web, desktop, or mobile using those demo credentials and start practicing in a risk-free environment. That's all you need to open a Ctrader demo account.